Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. Today, I am going to start a poem from your textbook Honeysuckle. So let's start. The Quarrel, written by Eleanor Farjeon. Eleanor Farjeon was an English poetess of children's stories, plays, poetry, biography, history, and she became a very popular writer. Now, do you know the meaning of the word quarrel? I hope you all know it. Quarrel means fight or an angry argument. How many of you have been in a quarrel with your brothers, sisters or friends? I guess mostly everyone, sometime or the other, isn't it? So let's start with the poem. It is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. So the poem here beautifully represents that although brothers and sisters fight with each other, they don't know for what they are fighting, and the outcome left after the fight is nothing. But how long do such quarrels last? Still they don't know how long the quarrel may take place, how it will come to an end. It may last for a longer period of time, or it may end quickly. Now, I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. The poetess has clearly mentioned that she had a fight with her brother, but later she forgets what was the fight about. But she remembers that she had a fight with her brother. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. What happened? When you have a fight, one thing leads to another. That means we try to bring out all the old stories, all the old matters, and keep the fight pulling long. Similarly, in this poem, both the brother and sister started pulling the fight long by bringing all the previous stories or the things that they had done. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. What does that mean? When the fight started, it started with a slight or a small thing between both of them. But later, the small thing grew up to become a big thing, and thus it was quite strong. They started to hate each other and became just like enemies. So, the fight was small, but it ended with a strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. Now, usually when the fight starts, what happens? If there is a fight between two, both will try to say that they are right, and they will point out towards the opposite person. Similarly, over here, when they had a fight, he said he was right. The brother was saying that he was right. And the poetess is saying, I knew he was wrong. The brother is saying he is right, but the poetess is not accepting it. She disagrees with him. So the argument continues and the fight becomes strong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. So, what happened? They started hating each other and this were apart. This shows that they had a fight for a longer time. They had started maybe in the morning or in the afternoon, and it continued for a longer period of time and it lasted till night. From afternoon it turned to be black. The sky turned to be dark. That means they were fighting for the whole day. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. It suddenly happened that the narrator's brother came and tapped at the back and just maybe he wants to break this fight that they were having. He wanted to make friendship with the narrator. So then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go all night." So we can't go on all night. He is saying that now come on. We can't remain like this for such a long period of time. And he simply said by thumping his sister that he was very much sorry for the quarrel, and he declared that okay, it was my fault, I am sorry for that, and he declared himself that he was wrong. I was in the wrong, he said. So he was in the right. Now over here the brother is saying, okay, come on, let's become friends again, let's stop this fighting, and it was my fault. But now the sister is saying, so he was in the right. Now the sister at last accepts that okay, it wasn't his brother's fault and he was right. So this shows that she was very much generous and their fight came to an end. They became again friends. So this is the story of the poem The Quarrel. I hope you all have understood it and hope to see you again in the next class. Thank you. Take care and go through the poem.